Alright guys, this niche was actually suggested by some of you, and after doing some research, I was seriously blown away. The channel has only been around for a month, with just 31 videos, and it already has 175k subscribers. I have to say, this is a pretty solid niche. Now you might be wondering, are there any copyright issues with this niche? Don't worry, as long as it's fair use, there shouldn't be a problem. But what about getting monetized on YouTube? Let's find out. First, grab the channel link, head over to YT-Large, go to YouTube Tools, and choose Monetization Checker. Paste the link, enter the CAPTCHA, hit enter, and give it a moment. And, yep, you can see for yourself. This channel is already monetized. Alright, if you browse the channel, you'll see the main character is Sonic. This popular IP already brings in traffic. Plus, using Sonic to tell stories about social validation, humor, pranks, bravery, and overcoming challenges. People love that kind of content. So, I stayed up all night and made a sample video, and prepared all the prompts for you guys. Okay, let's check out the demo video first.
Guys, look! I lost my first tooth! I'm officially grown up! Yay!
Awesome, Sonic! That means the Tooth Fairy is coming tonight!
Sonic's gonna be rich? Not on my watch. Tooth Fairy? Childish nonsense.
My tooth! It's gone! Wait, all my teeth are gone!
Sonic, you look like my grandma now.
Haha, toothless hedgehog. Wait, what's that buzzing sound?
I installed security bees under Sonic's pillow! Shadow's busted!
No! I'm allergic to bees!
Like and subscribe, or you'll wake up toothless tomorrow!
Okay, friends, how's that? Not bad, right? Next up, I'll walk you through the entire video creation process step by step. I'll show you how to make the script, get image prompts, generate AI images, create voiceovers, and edit the video. These 5 steps are quick and easy, so stick around to see how it's done. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Step 1. Creating a viral script. First, go to this channel and pick a popular video. Click the share button and copy the link. Then, head over to the YouTube transcript site, paste the link, and hit Get Transcript. You'll get the full transcript, but we can't just use it as is. We need an original version, so paste it into ChatGPT and have it analyze the content. You can do this with multiple transcripts, so ChatGPT gets a better idea of what you're aiming for. Once it's done analyzing, we can use those prompts. Don't worry about the prompts. I'll share all the ones I used for this video in my WhatsApp channel, and you can join for free by clicking the link in the description. Plus, when you join, you get early access to my latest videos. Back to ChatGPT, ask it to give you 5 brand new story ideas. You can ask for more if you want. Hit send, and in no time, ChatGPT will give you 5 new short story scripts. Pretty cool, huh? Step 2. Creating image prompts. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT and enter the prompt. For example, let's take the first story, Sonic's Tooth Disaster. Once you paste it in and hit send, ChatGPT will give you 10 different image prompts. Sweet. Step 3. Making the images. There are a lot of tools for creating images, like ElevenLabs AI, Leonardo AI, or Dreamina AI. For this video, I'm using Dreamina AI. It's a solid AI image generator, and you get 120 free credits per day, which is more than enough for beginners. So, copy the first prompt, go to Dreamina AI, and click on Image Generator. Paste the prompt, select Image 2.1 for the model, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then, click Generate. You'll get 4 images, choose one, hit Upscale, and once it's done, click Edit on Canvas and export the image to your computer. Repeat this process for each scene image. Step 4. VoiceOver. For the voiceover, we'll use ElevenLabs. It's an amazing tool. Each account gets 10,000 characters of free credits per month. If you're interested, you can use my link in the description to try it out for free. Go to ElevenLabs, click on Go to App, and explore the library. Under Characters and Animation, filter by language, accent, gender, etc. And pick the voice you like. I'm using Marshall for Sonic. Click Add, then Use, and copy your script into the app. Hit Generate, and you'll get all your dialogue. Do this for each voiceover. Step 5. Editing. For editing, I'm using CapCut. Open the app, import all your materials. I suggest numbering them for easy organization. Drag the images into the timeline and match them up with the voiceovers. Adjust the length and volume of each clip. Add transition effects. I like whoosh between the images and apply it to all. Then add animations to the pictures. Followed by effects like energy and shake. After that, click on Text and Auto Captions. Choose English and let it generate the subtitles. You can pick a template that suits you. Finally, add sound effects, like transition sounds, and some background music. Don't forget to add a like and subscribe button on the last scene. Once everything looks good, export the video and you're done. So what do you think? Got it? And remember, this niche is so easy you don't even need a computer to make it work. You can use apps like ChatGPT, Dreamina AI, and CapCut on your phone. So if you want to dive into this niche, now's the perfect time. By the way, there are other variations of this niche too, like changing the main character to Messi or Ronaldo, for example. You can explore that on your own. One more thing, before you publish your video, don't forget to optimize your channel and do some keyword research. If you're not sure how, check out my other videos or use tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. It'll save you time and help you avoid mistakes. Alright, that's all for today. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share. Also, check out my other videos for more inspiration. See you in the next one, and good luck with your YouTube journey.